Are you having internet issues after a fresh installation of Windows? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If your device has no internet after a fresh Windows installation, then this video will show the steps to diagnose and resolve the issue. If the Windows devices are connected to Wi-Fi but show no internet, restart the computer and router. If the issue continues, check whether other devices can connect to the internet. However, if the issue occurs after a fresh installation, check out the solutions in this video. Let's get started. Method 1. Download the network driver. The first thing you can do is download the driver from the manufacturer's website by following this link to your friend's machine. Copy the file to a USB stick and then install it on your computer. Method 2. Re-enable network adapter. Click Win+I to open settings. Then navigate to Network and Internet and click on Advanced Network Settings. Under Network Adapters, click on Disable associated with your Wi-Fi. Wait for a minute, then click on Enable. Method 3. Reinstall the network adapter. Open WinX menu. Select Device Manager and expand the Network Adapters section and right-click on the network adapter. Select Uninstall device and then click on Uninstall to confirm it. Once it is uninstalled, restart the PC to download the correct driver automatically. You can then go to the first solution and install the latest version of the driver. Method 4. Reset the TCP or IP stack and clear the DNS cache. The next thing you can do is reset the TCP or IP stack following this guide. Then you can flush the DNS cache following this guide. Method 5. Use the Network Troubleshooter. You can use the Network Troubleshooter to detect and resolve any issues. In the latest iteration of Windows, you can use the Get Help app to do so. Open the app, search for Network Troubleshooting, and then select the appropriate options to run the troubleshooter. Method 6. Reset your network. The next thing you can do is reset your network and check if the issue persists. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.